Hello friends, I hope you are doing great and enjoying this series of free RTAS with Arduino. Today I am going to demonstrate a basic application of free RTAS with Arduino programming. I will explain step by step in upcoming next tutorial. Here I am explaining only basic concept and application of free RTAS. Let us get started. This is a schematic diagram where I am using two LED. One is red. Red is connected on D7 pin and green LED is connected on D8 pin. Here I am going to make a LED blinking code where both LED will blink with independently delay. Suppose red LED is blinking with half second delay and green LED is blinking with 1 second delay, like this. There will be no relation between these LEDs and these LEDs in delay. Okay, we will see Arduino programming. I will define pin as define. Red LED is connected on 7 number pin. Green LED is connected on 8 number pin. I will decide pin mode. Red LED is as a output. And green LED is it's also output. Okay, first of all I will try to create LED blinking code without free RTAS. So it's simple. Digital write red LED is high. Digital write green LED also high. Okay, I will use delay. Hundred millisecond. Okay, I will copy this. Okay, here I will check the board. Arduino Nano Atmega 328P old bootloader comport 9. Okay, now I will upload. Sorry, here I will change low and here also low, and I will again upload the code. Yeah, you can see here is no method to use delay independently for every LED. So I will use here free RTAS. So I will make this product by using free RTAS. So I will use here free RTAS library has include dot h. Okay, I will create a task here, x task create. I will pass here argument. First I will pass here task function, so I will create task function, but I will call here task function red led task, and I have to create a descriptive name, so red led task, and then I will pass here stack depth parameters, it is 128. I will explain later. And here I have to pass parameter, so here is null parameters, and then priority of task, it's 1, and again I will pass here null. Here I can pass external task which is not included here, so it's optional. So if I have no any other extra task, so I will pass here null. Okay, and again I will copy this, green, and here's green. Okay, and here I will create two function, one for red led task and another for green led task. I will create a task function void red led task, and here I will pass void pv parameters. Okay, and in this function I will copy this, sorry, I will cut this and I will paste here. I will use while loop, infinite loop, and here I will copy this. Okay, here is red led is high, and again red led will be low, and 100 millisecond delay. Okay, and I will create another task, so I will copy this and paste here. Here is green. Okay, green, 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 and here I will use 500 millisecond, and here 800 millisecond. Means green LED will blink with 800 millisecond delay, and green and red LED will blink with and red LED will blink with 500 millisecond delay. Okay, I will remove this thing. Okay, and I will remove this. Yeah, I will upload. Here is problem. Green LED task. Here is red LED task. I think here is problem. Okay, I will again compile and upload. You can see here both LEDs blinking with independently delay. Red LED is blinking with 500 millisecond delay and green LED is blinking with 800 millisecond delay. Here I will try to more fast, so 200 and 200. I will upload. See, green LED is blinking fast and red LED is little bit slow. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.